Guys, this is Craft Dojo Origami and this is the origami koi fish we will be making today. Doesn't it look good? Yeah, it has an awesome tail and it looks almost like a real fish. It's identical to it. So this fish was designed by Ricardo Foschi. It looks awesome. So then what are we waiting for? Let's go into today's video without any more further ado. Now, making the origami koi fish, we will be needing a sheet of size 15 cm into 9 cm. It can be a double colored sheet or just a normal sheet. It's no problem. Okay, now when we start, we have to fold the sheet into half. Before this step, we can divide the sheet into 3 equal halves, like this. We have to fold only one part and leave the other part undisturbed. This is for the tail, we are marking it, that's all. Now we have to unfold our model and then fold the edges to the central crease. We have to repeat the same on the other side as well. Now we have to fold this part of the sheet towards the marking we made earlier. It should be a perfect square, so we can line it up using triangular folds. Now we have to enforce all the folds in the same time, like this side towards this side and this side towards this side, such that these 2 points meet and these 2 points meet. You will be getting a fold that looks like this. After that, we have to unfold it and then fold it like this. We have to fold it out in such a way that this point and this point meet. We have to do the same thing on the other side. And then we will have to enforce all the folds and close it. And then before going to the next step, we need to fold this towards the center and the other flap towards the center as well. We have to fold in such a way that here this side coincides with another point in the center, just like this. And we have to do the same on the other side as well. Wow, now wasn't that some easy folding? Okay, now let's go to the next part. You see these two lines we marked over here? This part is for the tail. So we will have to make a line from here to here and here to here. You could use a scale for this fold. You'll be getting a line like this over here, and we'll have to repeat it on the other side as well. Now we have to enforce all the folds and make it look something like, yeah, we have to fold everything inward just like this. For the next part, it is the tail. It's the portion of the paper we marked earlier. It will become the tail sooner. You'll have to fold this side towards the central crease over here. After that, our model will look like this. We have to fold everything up and unfold the folds which were made earlier. Now we will have to fold one fold inwards and the other outward, and the other inward, which will create a crease. Sorry, not one crease but 4 creases. And after we enforce all the folds, again it will look like this. We have to open the fold on one side and do the same on the other side as well. But before that, we need to make sure that the folds on both the sides are equal. After that, we are now nearing our final steps. We will have to fold this guy inwards like this, and then we have to unfold it and fold it inwards. This will give the tail of our koi fish a nice finish. And guess what? We're nearly finished with our model. There's just one more step. We have to keep it like this and help it stay 3D until we complete our next fold using our fingers, like this. We have to circle it up like this. Yeah, now our model is complete and it looks awesome. What do you think about it? Don't forget to comment your opinions. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, a like would be awesome. And if you like my other content and want some more awesome content to be notified to you immediately, don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with that bell icon. Okay guys, bye. I'll see you in my next videos.